Hi everyone, it's Deb Floros, and I'm here to tell you how much I love the Jesse James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box. I hold this box very near and dear to my heart. I absolutely love getting this box monthly. There are always so many fun, inspiring things that have been curated for us. The box is very distinctive. It always looks this way, and when it comes, I can't wait to rip it open. And I already did rip this one open, just for the record. So I love the box. I was incredibly inspired. This month is Destination Asia, and this one really got me. So today I have a really fun project for you because we're going to do something kind of trendy. And there's lots of opportunities to do this trendy thing with this month's box. So stay tuned. So here's the box, and today what we're going to do is make some bag embellishments or bag charms, things that you can embellish these fun bags you might have. Now, these two bags aren't perfect for the example, but they've got the right hardware and the right idea, so I can give you some ideas to make bag charms and bag embellishments. This box is perfect for it. So I'm gonna take out this cording. This Hong Kong cord set is a nice soft fabric cord, and it's got this beautiful patterned fabric on it. I'm going to cut off that loose end, and we're going to attach the metal cord ends to it with some glue. I'm going to cut off the frayed ends, and then I'm going to put a little bit of super glue with a toothpick into the cord end, and then I'm going to use a toothpick to press it in and make sure that all of that cord end is in my little metal piece. And then we're going to let it dry. So we're going to set it off to the side. We'll come back to that, and we've got another set if we need it. So this next strand is perfect for a bag charm. And I'm just pulling out all of the beads that I like the best from that strand, and then I'm grabbing some wire. You can use up to 20 gauge wire, maybe even 18 for this project. I went a little bit looser. I think I've got a 22 gauge I'm working with here. So I'm creating a wire wrap loop, and I've strung on all of my favorite beads, and I'm just adding loops, wire wrap loops to both ends of my beads, giving it a little bit of breathing room by leaving some space before I put my pliers onto the wire. And I'm doing those wraps, and then I'm tightening up that little excess piece of wire. And because my wire is a little bit more pliable, I've got to straighten it out a little bit. Then I'm going to grab a head pin, and I'm going to add 3 more pieces from that strand, and I'm going to attach it to one of the ends of what I've already created, and that will be sort of a dangle on a dangle. So I'm wire wrapping that on, and that will just add some additional movement. This is so pretty. So this is going to hang from a bag. Super fun. Let's do another one. So this is really a simple one, and this could actually be used more as a zipper pull. So I'm going to use a flat end head pin and those little metal flowers and one of those beautiful ceramic beads. Just going to create a wire wrap loop, and I'm going to set that one off to the side. Now we've got this chain. We're going to work with this. This is amazing chain. Absolutely in love with it. Then this beautiful silver, almost jumka piece is amazing for a bag charm. And all I'm going to do is grab some ball end head pins and wire wrap beads directly onto this metal piece. Now you can wire wrap as many as you would like. Because the loops are close together, you'll want to make sure you like the look of the beads close together. I spaced mine out. I did a bead every 4 loops, but you could do every 3 loops, probably even every 2 loops. And if you use the stone strand in this box, you can put a bead on every single one of those loops. So I'm using some chain nose pliers to help me out and get those beads wrapped on. I love the blues, so pretty. And then this just looks like a bag charm right there. So I'm literally going to cut some wire and cut the beads off the package. And then I'm going to use a little bit of a coil to start the stringing. So I'm using round nose pliers, doing a few coils, pulling up my wire, and then I'm putting those beads on exactly as they were on the package because they were curated so perfectly and put together so perfectly. They will make a beautiful bag charm, little bag embellishment that will look so fun. So I'm creating a large loop up top, and now I've got all of my pieces. So I've got some fun large lobster claws, and these are kind of the perfect thing to attach to your bag. So if you've got any metal loops or metal hardware on your bags, you can take those big lobster claws and attach them directly to it. And this one, I just was kind of playing around looking at the options. You can make a loop up top and just add that little pop of color, or you can hang it down long. You could also make a shorter piece here, but I ended up looping through that hardware a couple of times. Now I'm looking for places that I can put this bag charm. So I've got this zipper pull, and I used a large spring ring for this one, which I had in my stash. And I'm just going to hang that right on to that zipper pull. That's one place where you can make an attachment. And then you also may have an attachment for a strap, a purse strap, and that's a perfect place. And that dangle just hangs so nicely down on the side of the bag. This one I love. So again, I've got a large lobster claw, and I'm going to attach it right to that zipper pull, and I'm going to use it as a zipper pull, and I love it. And there it is on the side of the bag. Now, maybe you've got a zippered section inside the bag. I know it's not visible, but I'm using that small one for a zipper pull. It looks cute to me. What about using chain to embellish your bag? So I'm going to use some large jump rings, and I'm going to attach them to those two loops. And this chain is just going to be visible just a little bit when the bag closes, but when it opens up, you'll see it a little bit more. And I absolutely love the look of this. So much fun. Now, one more bag charm, and you've got all kinds of great ideas. This month's Magical Mystery Bead Box allows you to do such a trendy, fun thing, embellish and add charms to your bag. Check it out at jessiejamesbeads.com.